Now, Elisa, you've been busy, but before we get to what's happening here, we take a look at this video from Louisiana and from Mississippi. Driving in the rain, flooded roadways. When did this all come up, and this is from our tropical storm that we're watching, right?
Right. This is when Tropical Storm Cristobal made landfall on Sunday. There was storm surge and flooding. I've seen many reports there.
Now that's coming up, and what you're telling us is it's going to come tonight in our area. It's going to be quick, but it's going to be a lot. It's going to be impactful.
Right. We're going to have heavy rain come down pretty quickly because this is a tropical system, so it comes with all of that extra juice that comes with forming over the tropics, the more warm and moist and humid air mass. Right now, though, it is pretty quiet out there. It will stay pretty quiet, though, for a lot of the afternoon. We're looking at some roads that are dry in Branson, a couple of clouds. Things are warm at 77 degrees with some dew points that are over 65. So that comes with a pretty sticky air mass. It's warm and humid. We've got the clouds out there right now. That is connected to the tropical system, again, which is called Cristobal, and that's where it caused flooding in Louisiana and Mississippi already. There were flash flood warnings plastered across this whole area this morning and still are. It is a tropical depression. That high pressure that kept us sunny and hot and humid all weekend is moving out to the east. That's what's letting the tropical remnants come up through the Ozarks ahead of a cold front that's out to the west. We'll find some showers and storms out of that tomorrow as well. So here's Cristobal. It is a tropical depression with 35-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving north and west at a pretty good clip at 15 miles per hour, so it's picking up speed as it gets sucked up in the jet stream, and it is moving northward. We'll continue to find it move north through Arkansas and then into Missouri as we head through the afternoon and overnight. Now, the circulation will track just to the east of Springfield, but the breadth of flooding will be much wider than that small little path or cone that you see there. That's why flash flood watches take over much of our area, take effect at 1 o'clock this afternoon, go until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning for 2 to 4 inches of rain. Locally, we could see higher amounts. Now, it's a tropical system that has its own circulation, right? It's got its own little spin. So as that center circulation spins through the Ozarks, we'll have some wind energy to work with and, of course, a lot of moisture. So we can't rule out maybe a strong storm or two to the south and east closer to the circulation of that low. And that's where we could also find some 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. So again, we're quiet through a lot of the afternoon. We'll just really feel that humid tropical air mass. We'll find increasing clouds. Then by 7 o'clock, we're looking at those showers starting to get to the state line. Heavy rain becoming widespread this evening and overnight. You see those reds, those are very heavy tropical downpours, so a pretty wet start to your morning commute with heavy rain and flooding being a threat. Everything is gone by noon as far as the tropical stuff is concerned, but then remember we still have that front out to the west, so we can find additional showers and storms by tomorrow afternoon and evening as that front kicks the rest of Cristobal out. We're looking at about 2 to 4 inch rain totals possible. The cutoff to the west will be very steep, where you're not really looking at much rain along the I-49 corridor at all. Here's what to expect. Rain arrives by the state line by 7 o'clock this evening. Heavy rain and flash flooding expected overnight tonight. All of the tropical remnants from Cristobal will exit by noon tomorrow, but we could have some storms in the afternoon from a front as all of that kicks to the east. A flash flood watch is in effect along and east of Highway 65 for 2 to 4 inches of rain, and some locally higher amounts are possible. 87 degrees today. We're looking at increasing clouds with rain rolling in late. Heavy rain overnight tonight, 88 degrees tomorrow. We'll have that heavy rain early and a couple of showers and storms possible in the afternoon. Less humid with sunshine on Wednesday once all of that exits, and then we're looking at a dry and warm stretch through the weekend.